Good morning, my subscribers and my regular viewers. Today I am back in the kitchen. Today is Saturday, so happy Saturday to you guys. So I'll be cooking up bammy, coconut milk, cabbage, and tuna. Yeah, that's what's on the menu for today. So stay tuned and watch. Alright, let's get started. First thing first, turn the coconut milk, and this is for the bammy. So it's not a lot of bammy, so I'm gonna use all the coconut milk, guys. So if you don't have coconut milk, I think I can use liquid milk. If you don't have coconut milk powder, you can use coconut milk itself. All right, or you can just steam the bammy in water. Yeah, steam it in hot water. Yeah. So I'm gonna steam it down with the coconut milk, and then I'm gonna go fry it. So watch the process. Alright, so I'm just gonna mix out the powder so it's smooth. So as soon as it starts boiling, I'm just adding 1 and 2 other else thing in it. So I'm gonna season the coconut milk how me want it. You understand? Alright, take out the bammy and I'm gonna cut it up. And this is why people have to steam bammy, because it's tough. Tough. Alright, now I just use the scissors. There we go. One thing with the scissors, then it's very handy. Kitchen scissors. You have seen me use it multiple times before. Cut meat, cut seasoning, now it's a cut bammy. Yep. That's a nice little cute shape. Excuse me, go back to the window, man. Come in here, fly around. Alright. Does it? And the wife a bubble. Add those them so salt now the bammy. I add a little bit more salt to the milk. Just add salt to the milk. You understand? Not much enough. Right, so I put in the bammy one by one. Alright. Heat up the cabbage and put it up. Shout out. Alright, I'm gonna add to the pot just for the bammy. Bammy nice and soft. You can see. I'm at the elbow at. Very nice. Oh, it's a nice wheel. That's good. My pot's still not hot yet. Nice and clean. Nice to wash up the skin and thyme and garlic and onion. Pretty low. So by the time I finish this, I'm supposed to ready. So I sent you. We add a black pepper. No black pepper, no tomato. Well, the show must go on, guys. It must go on. time to turn the bammy. Guys, I add one off cam. I turn them. Oh, nice and pretty. Alright, the next batch is in, guys. Next batch, and the final batch. And we're done. Alright, so we finished with the bammies. Alright, let's move on. Next pot is on. I'm gonna add some seasoned nights. Purpose. Alright, so I'm gonna add in the cabbage. Guys, go in your kitchen and try something new. And I'm going to put piece of butter on it too. I'm going to put a piece of butter on it too. Alright, my chicken. That's so good. Let me give you all a better close up. There you go. Guys, it smells so good. So let me give you guys a better look. See there? Nice and pretty. This it tastes so good, guys. The tuna and the cabbage. Man. Nice try. Some ginger mint with and some of them Guinea weed tea bags. Ooh. Cut all the tuna.